Here's why you shouldn't run lead magnet funnels to get high value clients. I was talking to one of our clients on a coaching call, and he was like, basically asking, should I do a lead magnet? Should I do a VSL? Should I just do like an ad direct to a book a call? And what I told him is it really depends on the type of avatar you have. Because like lead magnets work, direct VSL funnels work. Every funnel pretty much works. It's just which avatar does it work for, right? So like in this instance, this client was trying to target medical professionals, medical companies, like companies doing $2, $3, $4, $5 million a year. That's who they were trying to target with their ads. I said that type of person who's super busy all the time doesn't have time to go through a super long webinar or download a lead magnet or go through a lead magnet, let alone download it. And they're just not interested in doing that. They just want somebody who can come in, get them results, and do it all for them and have like a done for you offer. So like if you're selling like a done for you offer, like video content, video services, marketing services, and you're selling that to a demographic that doesn't have a lot of time, then it makes literally no sense to do a lead magnet or a webinar because that's not going to attract them. They're not going to go through it. They're not interested in going through that. All they want is like, how can you solve my problem? And the ad should be like, we're going to solve your problem. We're going to do this, this, and this for you so you can get XYZ result. And then that should go to like a 4 to 5 minute VSL and then a calendar below that VSL. And that's literally it. And then getting them to actually book a call and then closing them on the call. And so like, stop trying to make lead magnets are really good for like B2C offers where it's like a very low sophistication of person who's going through it because they need a lot of nurturing and time and like build up and a bunch of information. Whereas people who have money, like rich people that you're trying to sell to, they don't have time. They literally just want to know, what is it? How much does it cost? And is it worth it? And like based on that, they will make the decision to buy or not to buy. So hopefully that helps. We'll see you in the next one.